Hey agents, want an easier way to stay on top of your follow-ups? Let's take a quick look at Wise Agent's call list and how to utilize its features. From the dashboard options, click on Call List. Here, your calls are organized by today, past due, future, and completed, so you always know what's coming up next. To add a new call, click the green plus button. Start typing to add one or more contacts to your call list. Then, enter the call details and set alerts if needed. When it's time to connect, select Phone icon to open the Call in Progress window. From here, you can view the contact details and notes during your call. You can even add updates or schedule the next call right away, keeping your workflow seamless. You can also select contacts right from your call list to send them an email, or open them in your contact list to perform other actions like adding them to a category or a drip campaign. Use the call list filters to quickly find the right contact or export them to your CSV file. Export includes contact details and notes, making it easy to stay organized on the go. With Wise Agent's call list, your follow-ups are always organized, efficient, and action-ready. Try it out today and never miss a chance to connect.